Welcome back to our channel. If you like making money online, this is the channel for you. Make sure to subscribe at the conclusion of this video so you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, click on the subscribe button and switch on notifications to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting approach for generating money online. So let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online using this Google trick for free. I will show you step by step to help you generate more revenue. You can start producing money right away with these free websites that I'm about to share with you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. But first, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Well, we don't know, to be honest, because it all comes down to your work ethic, how much you're willing to devote to it, and how hard you're willing to work on it, among other factors. So, it's my responsibility to guide you through the process, demonstrate how these individuals do it, and provide you with the free tools. They will aid you in doing so, and it is up to you whether or not you want to act. Since I have seen many people merely digest all of this information, they just sit there and watch the video, which is obviously not going to work. You must follow each step and act as if you are doing something if you want this to work. This isn't a magic pill for generating money online, nor it is a magic money-making machine. Rather, it's a real business that you can start for yourself as a great way to provide a lot of value while also making money online. Anyway, I'd like to show you something once you arrive at Google. Businesses pay between $9,000 and $10,000 per month for Google Ads, according to a Google search for how much do individuals actually spend on Google and Google Ads. This is something that millions upon millions of businesses do every month on Google. Google advertising costs at least $9,000 to $10,000 each month for millions of individuals and businesses around the world. Will you have to create a business to accomplish this? No. And are you going to have to pay for those Google ads? No. None of this is going to cost you anything, and I'd like to show you how to make money online for free. You'll see why this makes sense and why I'm showing you this later. But keep in mind that people and businesses are willing to spend tens of thousands of dollars per month on Google ads because they recognize the power of Google and online advertising. And they're willing to invest because the returns of their investments are enormous. Don't worry, you won't have to do that. You will not be required to pay for adverts or anything else. Right now, I'll show you how to proceed. Now that you know that, I'd like to introduce to you peopleperhour.com, which is very similar to Fiverr. And I'm sure you've heard of Fiverr at some point in your life. Fiverr is a freelancing marketplace where regular people like you and me can come and offer a wide range of services in a wide range of areas. We have the ability to make a profit from our services. In exchange for money, we might sell our knowledge and provide our services to others. So it's a freelancing website, but the problem with Fiverr is that despite its popularity, it's grown fairly competitive, with people selling their services for a really low cost because they're competing against tens of thousands of others. For example, if you search for graphic design in Fiverr, you will get over 10,000 different services. On Fiverr, the competition is tough, and it's exceedingly difficult to grow and earn money as a complete rookie. Before you could have any genuine success on Fiverr, you'd have to be there for months. We'll use Fiverr alternatives to make this a lot better and easier, and people per hour is one of the 5 possibilities we have. As I'll show you on SimilarWeb, peopleperhour.com is genuinely visited by a significant number of people per month. SimilarWeb is a website metric monitoring application that I use. For example, if you type in peopleperhour.com, it will tell you to just wait for it to load. Peopleperhour.com has 2.3 million monthly visits, which may not seem like a lot when compared to Facebook and Instagram, which have billions of users, but 2.3 million people is a lot when it comes to purchasing services from peopleperhour.com. Peopleperhour.com has 3.3 million prospective clients looking for a variety of services. Now, I'm going to tell you how to do this and provide quality services and earn money even if you have no talents, no prior experience in this, and even if you've never done anything online or made any money online. I want to go to peopleperhour.com and look for something along the lines of we're going to supply Google AdWords services. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about and how you can do it even if you're a total rookie. First and foremost, I'd like to show you that a Google search for people per hour reveals that people are willing to give the service for hundreds of dollars since corporations are willing to outsource it to a freelancer. They're simply too busy running their business to handle their own Google advertising, so they hire someone on a freelance website to do it for them, and they get huge return on their investments. So they're basically monthly retainer clients. You can see that this person is asking $780 for this and that they would take care of the Google ads. You can also see that this under has 894 sales, implying that they have 894 feedbacks, meaning they receive a lot more sales because not everyone will provide feedback, but they definitely got over 1,000 sales at $780, which is over $700,000 to $780,000 made by this guy by providing the service on peopleperhour.com. You can offer a wide range of products and services, and if you're worried about not knowing how to use Google AdWords, don't worry, I'll supply you with free tools to help you learn. Yes, because you'll be able to sell it for the rest of your life, you'll learn it. If you have the competence, you can provide that service and no one can take it away from you. This service is available on a variety of freelancing platforms. And where can you get this one-of-a-kind skill? Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. It's available for free at Google Skills Store, skillshop.google.com. This is their official website, and if you go there to get started, you'll find a number of different Google-created training programs that you may participate in for free. At the end of the skill shop, they'll even offer you a certificate. You'll receive your certificate at the end of the course that you may give to your customers. Hey, I'm a Google certified expert who knows how to run those Google ads and you can pay me. You can tell them that. I believe it will be well worth it to spend a couple of hours learning how to run Google AdWords and then provide that service for months, if not years. It can make you money for months, if not years, while also bringing significant value to the world. You're being paid for your worth, but first and foremost, you must put in the work to acquire that skill, which you can then sell for as much as you want. If you click on Google Ads right now, you'll get a list of options, including this one, which will provide us Google Ads certificates. You can look through all of these training programs. Some are short, medium, and long. Some are for beginners, intermediates, and advanced. So simply choose your area, filter it, and go through any training program you choose. It will pay off because you will learn the essentials. You'll gain knowledge and certification in the field, allowing you to sell the service on any platform. Now, on these freelance platforms, Google AdWords aren't the only method to make money or the only service you may provide. You may monetize these freelancing websites in a variety of ways, and you can offer a variety of services in addition to Google advertisements. Google, for example, will teach you how to do email marketing, digital marketing, both of which are services you can monetize on these freelancing platforms. You're not alone in questioning if this works and whether or not it'll be worth your time and effort to go through the training programs and learn, as evidenced by the fact that all of these people are making thousands of dollars while this person is charging $115 per client for the same work. That talent will pay off. They have over 400 feedbacks indicating that they have sold over 500 devices at the price of $115. With upsells and other plans most likely in place. So yes, it works, and these individuals are from all over the world, and they earn money by selling their skills on sites like peopleperhour.com. As you can see, the scenario isn't that competitive. When you go to peopleperhour.com, we get 384 results, which isn't a lot because there aren't many people providing the same service. If you go to Fiverr, you'll be competing with tens of thousands of individuals, but there are only 384 results on peopleperhour.com. Because you're only up against roughly 300 people, you can decide to provide that service for a lower price at start to attract some customers. You can get some early feedback that will help you rise to the top of the rankings and attract more customers. Of course, you can raise the price later, but you can start by offering it for a very low price, just so you can stand out, just so you can attract those first customers, and then you can gradually increase your price so you can make more money. Now, if you don't want to go through those classes, I'll give you a modest bonus, because all of those guys who previously clicked off will not get this. But because you were wise and waited to the end, I'll offer you a modest bonus if you don't want to complete those courses. If you don't want to learn that skill, you can simply drop services from other platforms like Upwork and Fiverr because, as I previously stated, those platforms are extremely competitive. They are visited by millions of people and they are millions of people providing those services. As a result, freelancers are listing their services for extremely low prices in order to stand out. They're providing professional services for a fraction of the price. What you can do is go to Upwork and hire someone to manage your Google Ads for you because they are competitive websites where you can discover low-cost services that work similarly to people per hour. For a small fee, you can hire someone from the Philippines or another nation. On the left-hand side, you can find someone from India or the Philippines who will do it for you for a low price, like $9 an hour, and then you can resell that service on People Per Hour so you can list that same service for, say, $100 on People Per Hour. And when someone buys it from you, simply go to Upwork and spend $20 or $30 to hire someone else on Upwork or Fiverr. Simply keep the difference and stop providing that service, and you'll be able to provide a wider range of services because you won't be executing them yourself. You aren't offering the services yourself. On People Per Hour, you can sell graphic design, writing designs, writing services, and a range of other services. Because you're not doing the job yourself, you may publish them there and sell them all. You may leverage this and extend your business by finding someone else to do it for a bit less money and dropping service and keeping the difference. This can be extremely profitable and it has the potential to grow to enormous proportion. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you in the next video.